I've been composting for about 10 years now, and I think a lot of people have misconceptions about it, as if it's really complicated, gonna take so much time. Maybe they're just intimidated by it. So I decided to do a little tutorial so that you can see what it's about, and that it's really not that intimidating. So I got this barrel composter probably about 2 or 3 years ago, just off of Amazon, and it has the 2 parts. So this part on the side, it has a plus sign. So that means add food to me. This one on the left has a timer. And so it means I'm cooking, don't add. And it's cool because you can switch it. So when it's time to start using one and cooking the other, you switch it. So once I empty it, is what we're gonna add to. But for now, I'll keep it this way. And I'm so excited because it's time to use the compost that I've been working on for the past year. So here it is, yummy, ready to go. You know it's ready to go because when you break it apart and you smell it, it literally just smells like dirt. It does not have any smell, any odor, really. Just smells like pure earth. And so it's ready to go. And I'm gonna show y'all what I do when I prepare it to go in my garden. Okay, so I'll admit it. When it comes time to actually starting to use the compost that you've been cooking, it can get a little gross and a little tedious. So I've got my gloves on, I'm reaching in, and I'm grabbing just kind of everything. But now this clearly isn't fully broken up, so I'm gonna leave that guy in. But I'm adding this soil, I'm adding the compost to soil. You see I have sticks in here, I'm pulling those babies out. Some of these, like you see the eggshell doesn't really break up, but it's gonna be really good, nutritious for the soil, so that's okay. Both to put in your compost and just to keep it, just make sure you break it apart so that it can spread evenly amongst the soil. So picking out all the sticks, and I'm gonna do this until I have all of the compost out of there, mixing it up with this fresh soil. Come over here with me. Here we are at the garden bed. I mixed half soil with the compost in this container. It's nice and mixed in. You can see a little bit of the eggshells here. Again, that's really good. Put eggshells in your compost or even just on top of the soil would be awesome. We've got all sorts of little critters crawling around here, which is why I have my gloves on, which is also really good. It just helps the nutrients move around. So now that I have it made, I'm literally just gonna sprinkle it around the plants. I'm gonna do that another 2 or 3 times. Come over here, let's show them how much more we have in the compost. This thing is pretty deep, so I imagine it's gonna take another 2 of those pots. So I'm just gonna continue doing it and spreading it around so that my plants get all of this extra nutrition. So I actually made 4 batches of this earth gold, and here I am just spreading it around. You see how dark the soil looks? You can see the difference between, say, like this patch that I haven't spread yet and this patch. It's full of nourishment. I'm so excited to see how the plants, all the flowers, the peppers, the collards, the tomatoes, the basil, how they're gonna be able to thrive from this new, fresh soil. I just got the question why it matters to me to make this video. It's because I think more people should be composting. It's a low-hanging fruit method of being a good steward to the planet. You're not wasting. Your food's not going to the landfill. Instead, it's coming right back to you, replenishing the other food or flowers that you're growing for your joy and your nourishment. It's a full circle effect. There's so many things in our world going on right now that we have zero control over. And this is one of them that we absolutely have 100% control over. How much food are we wasting? And so this is just an easy way to decrease the amount that you put in the trash by like 70%, 80%, 90%, depending on how many fruits and vegetables you're eating in a week. So if you were one of the people that said, I don't compost because I wouldn't even know where to start, know that it's as easy as deciding that you're gonna start and then figure out how and where you're gonna hold the compost. There's so many ways, and I've tried probably all of them over the past 10 years that I've been composting. Ask me your questions and I would absolutely love to help you get started. All right, bye y'all. Peace.